today we're opening Linksys home router. There's 3 pieces to put in the biggest house ever. And the number is AC2200. And I'll turn around. And here you can see the 3 places. The dining room, to do all the internet and stuff. The out and in, where you go out and then in, out and then in. Up, the bedroom, and your phone, your tablet, all the internet. You can put your tablet charge everywhere. We have a small house. So let's open! We got from Best Buy too. Let's open. Okay. So let's poke a hole here. Poke. Ripping. Yeah, this side. Right side, I'm ripping it up. Bye bye, weird boxy boxy. So heavy. Ow, my finger. These 2 fall off. But fine. You can look. Okay, so these are light. They're really light. The box is heavy. So the box is heavy. Oh, this is also light. So here are the 2 cables here. Here's the switch on or switch off button. The red one is a reset button.
Yeah.
It's a red. And for the small one, you can put it inside so it can have some power maybe. That's a power. See? Okay, so you can see all 3 is the same. Okay, the last piece. Okay, open and there's something back. So you can see this is the network cable for those 3. You can see. Now putting the box. Well, so big. I didn't expect this box to be big. Okay, so we're going to test these out in the detail section, also in the comment section of the details. So here in the box, there's some details. We'll test all the apartments. Here, say you can do the comment. So we can see, we're gonna tell you how it works, or we could just test it and tell you how it works. Okay? In the details section. Bye! Thank you for watching. Hit the bell, like, and subscribe. Comment if you want more details for this video. And bye!